Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. New reports claims that the iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max to offer upgraded performance with this new edition. According to the latest available data, the new Apple iPhone 17 series is launching soon, but this time with a massive 12 new upgrades and features. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Number 1. Improved cooling. All 4 iPhone 17 models are rumored to feature internal design changes that result in better heat dissipation. A vapor chamber cooling system has been rumored for the Pro models. Number 2. 12 GB of RAM. iPhone 17 Pro models, and even the iPhone 17 Air, are rumored to have 12 GB of RAM. This upgrade should help to improve the performance of Apple Intelligence and multitasking. Number 3. 8K video recording. Apple allegedly tested 8K video recording on the iPhone 16 Pro models, but such functionality is still not available. With the iPhone 17 Pro models expected to have entirely 48-megapixel rear cameras, it is expected that 8K video recording will debut on those devices. Number 4. 48-megapixel rear telephoto camera. An upgraded 48-megapixel telephoto camera is rumored for the iPhone 17 Pro models, up from the 12-megapixel telephoto camera on iPhone 16 Pro models. Number 5. 24-megapixel front camera. All 4 iPhone 17 models are said to feature an upgraded 24-megapixel front-facing camera, whereas all iPhone 16 models are equipped with a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. Number 6. Dual video recording. According to John Prosser on FPT, the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max will allow users to record video with the front and rear cameras simultaneously in the camera app. Number 7. Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 chip. All 4 iPhone 17 models are rumored to get a Wi-Fi 7 chip designed by Apple rather than Broadcom. Number 8. Apple A19 Pro Chip. iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to use Apple's next-generation A19 Pro chipset, which will reportedly be manufactured with TSMC's newer third-generation 3nm process. Number 9. Larger battery. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to have a slightly thicker design that allows for a larger battery. Number 10. Sky blue finish. Like the latest MacBook Air, the iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to be available in a sky blue color. Number 11. Rectangular camera bump. iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to have a large rectangular camera bump with rounded corners. Apple apparently plans to stick with a triangular arrangement for the rear camera lenses. Number 12. Aluminum frame. iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to have an aluminum frame, whereas the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro models have a titanium frame. The back of the devices will supposedly have a new part aluminum, part glass design. The new iPhone 17 lineup is expected to debut between September 11 to 13, 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.